this is Indy Meets Disney. I'm Cedric.
And I'm Katie.
And we are here at 50's Primetime Cafe.
Yep, so we're here at Hollywood Studios and we cannot wait to give this place a try again. We've been here several times before, have loved it, and we're gonna try it again.
All right, let's go in, let's check it out.
Okay, here we are, 50's Primetime.
Yeah, I'm super excited. It's been a while since we've been here, so I know the food has been good every time we've been here before. So super excited to dive in, give it a try, and to see what Mama's got cooking for us here.
We've already been warned to keep our elbows off the table, and I'm going to tell you right now, one of my elbows is on the table, so hopefully I don't get in trouble. But
yeah, we got to eat all our vegetables too. We don't want to get in trouble with Mama.
Yeah,
so.
And they said only good behavior, so I'm a little bit worried about this guy, but we'll do my best to keep him in line.
All right, so we'll bring you along on this journey and see how it goes.
So we went ahead and grabbed an appetizer. We got these onion rings. They look yummy, yummy, and super crispy inside of that basket. That white sauce is going to be a horseradish sauce, and the red is most likely just some ketchup. So let's dig in and give this appetizer a try. Okay, so we just finished up our appetizer of our beer battered onion rings. What did you think?
So those were pretty awesome. They had a nice thick coating on them. They were fried really nicely. The horseradish sauce that came with them was awesome. Not too overly powering, the horseradish in it. Had a nice hint of the horseradish in there and gave it a nice flavoring. I really enjoyed it. So this was a great appetizer in my opinion. I would definitely get that again. I would definitely recommend it to anybody that is a fan of onion rings and a fan of horseradish sauce.
Yeah, so I thought it was great. The only thing is that some of the onion rings, and because they are deep fried, some of them were a little bit more like soggy than others. I ate one that was super soggy, just didn't grease and stuff, but you'll have that because it's deep fried. But they were delicious, and I agree, the horseradish sauce was so good, so creamy, and it was the perfect little bite, tiny bite, to go with those onion rings. So we're on to our entree. We'll share that with you here in just a little bit.
All right, and so for our entree, Kate and I decided to split one. We've been kind of snacking all day here at the park. So what we went with was the sampling of Mama's favorite recipes. So it includes the pot roast, the fried chicken, and the meatloaf, and then a couple of the fixings, which are the garlic mashed potatoes and the green beans. So this looks fantastic. So let's dig in and give it a try. Alright, so we just wrapped up our entree, that sampler, and I'd have to say of the three meats, surprise, surprise, I went with the pot roast. So pot roast was my first favorite, then it would have been the meatloaf, followed by the chicken. I was really surprised by this. I'm not normally a pot roast person, but this pot roast was fantastic. It was really, really tender. I could cut right through it with my fork. It just had a great flavor to it. I'm not sure how Mama makes it, but she makes it right. That pot roast was fantastic. The chicken didn't have much flavor to it. That's why I put it third. So I was disappointed in that, but that's how mine ranked out. What do you think?
Yeah, so I'm going to go along with the same thing. Those are actually my top three as well. So the pot roast was amazing. I really like the chunkiness of the crispiness that had the vegetables on the very top of it. That was a great, like, I don't know what they were, maybe carrots and celery, maybe on top, but it was great. The meatloaf was my second favorite. I did not like that they didn't put the tomato, like, ketchup glaze on it. I was looking at the menu, and the normal meatloaf just has like the tomato ketchup glaze, but ours just had gravy on it. So I thought, you know, that could have probably taken mine to number one if that tomato ketchup glaze was on top. And the fried chicken was just normal fried chicken. But I do want to brag for a second. I received a sticker because I cleaned my plate. And Cedric did not get a sticker because he still had some chicken left over. But I'm very happy and I'm very proud to wear this.
She earned it.
Yep. But next up we're going to have a little bit of dessert. So it's coming
Excited.
towards us right now.
Yep.
Okay, for dessert, we decided to go ahead and grab the peanut butter and jelly milkshake. We've had it from here before and we really love them. So it comes served in one of these milkshake stainless steel containers. Cedric did the pouring, and as you can see, he poured just a little bit more for himself than he did for me, but that's okay. I'm not angry or anything. We'll give it a try and we'll report back on how good they are today.
All right, so that wraps up our time at 50's Primetime Cafe. It was a great time there, so what'd you think?
Yeah, we enjoyed pretty much every element of our meal. The appetizer was wonderful. Those onion rings were great. I'm glad that we split our entree and we didn't both get things. Like Cedric mentioned, we've been eating and snacking all day, so it was nice not to be overly stuffed at the end of the day. And the pot roast was wonderful. The meatloaf was great. The shake also was good, but we're gonna film another video. I think we're gonna launch it right after this one. But it's gonna be kind of like a head-to-head of the
Clash of the Titans.
of the PB shakes that we've been able to find on property. So this one here at Primetime versus the one at
The Fountain over at the Dolphin also has a peanut butter and jelly shake. So it'll be peanut butter and jelly shake of the Fountain versus peanut butter and jelly shake of the 50's Primetime Cafe.
Yes.
Who will come out victorious?
Yeah.
So find that video and check it out.
For sure, for sure. So it's been a fun night. The atmosphere there. What do you think of the atmosphere here at the
It's a cool atmosphere. I like it there. It's the 50's vibe. So the no elbows on the table, eat your vegetables, get the clean plate sticker like she did.
That's right, I did.
So it's fun. It's a good time.
Yep. So it was lots of fun evening. We love to come here. We always try to make a reservation pretty much each time we come if we can. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We'll take a moment to like this video in particular. Be a subscriber to our channel, and until next time, we will see you real soon.
Bye guys.